everybody, Lacey here. Today's video is one that's been requested a few times, and I think now's as good a time as ever to do this. I'm gonna be taking you through my live performance setup that I'm currently running on Twitch. You can run this on any sort of streaming platform, but this is the one that is working for me right now. So today's video is once again being sponsored by the lovely people at DistroKid. And in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about one big benefit that DistroKid provides to all of its customers, and that's instant Spotify verification. All DistroKid artists get access to streaming stats that you can't get anywhere else, control over your Spotify artist page. You can upload pictures, change those pictures, upload your bio, update your bio. It's really easy. There's even an app, Spotify for Artists, that you can download and do it on the go. Access to Spotify's artist support team to answer any sort of questions that you might have, and a blue verified checkmark instantly when you claim your artist profile. Normally there's a waiting period and application process that goes with Spotify's verification, but DistroKid gives it to you instantly. It's included in whatever plan you choose, and there's no additional cost to you. You can use my link, distrokid.com/VIP/Lacey for 7% off your first year of any plan. So all you really need to get started is a computer and some sort of audio interface. For my stream setup, I use the Focusrite Scarlett 2i2, mainly just because I like to have options in case I have multiple inputs that I'm going through. And this is honestly all you need to get started. But I'm gonna complicate things a little bit because I love to make things complicated for myself. So essentially what I'm doing is I have every single thing, live vocals, backing tracks, multiple instruments, going through one machine. And in this case, my machine is the Boss RC300 loop pedal. Super capable pedal, also kind of works in my case as like a mixer. So what I have plugged into the Boss, like I said, I have a guitar, which is being plugged in through an amp with a direct out back into the Boss pedal. So the reason I do that is mainly just to have an amp feel. Feels a little bit more present, and it gives me the distortion that I want without having to have extra pedals. So then I also have my Keytar plugged in. My resolution in 2020 is to be completely wireless because I'm over how many cables I have everywhere. So let me know if you have any good suggestions for wireless adapters, because I'm very much interested. Next up, which is a newer thing that I've just started adding, is I'm playing with backing tracks. So I used to play with backing tracks directly through my computer and then realized that there's a way easier way to do it, and that's plugging everything into my iPad. So my iPad's playing all of the backing tracks that I've made for myself through an app called SoundCue. Honestly, it's really great because I can adjust how much dead space I want. I can adjust if there's going to be a fade out, anything like that. The app lets me make that choice, which is really cool. All you have to do is upload WAV files and you're good to go. So we also have a vocal mic plugged in for this one. The mic itself kind of fluctuates. When I play live, I'm usually playing with my E935, but if I'm streaming from home, I just plug in the SM7 and it's ready to go. It's easy. And then I also have a direct feed coming out into my in-ears, so that way I have a no latency monitor of exactly what's going on. Like I said before, you just do a direct out into the audio interface, and then whatever feed is coming through the interface is what's going into your computer. So overall, the hardware side of it, I think, makes a lot of sense. If you just think of that RC300 as the brain, it's very straightforward. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. You can follow me at twitch.tv/LaceyJohnsonMusic. I'm gonna be streaming some more music there real soon. Thank you again so much to DistroKid for sponsoring this video. Thank you to all of you guys for your continued support, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.